Here's a song that's pretty fitting.
Tear down the house that I grew up in. I'll never be the same again. Take everything that I've collected, throw it in a pile, and bulldoze the woods that I ran through. Carry those pictures of me and you. I have no memory of who I once was, and I don't remember your name. Park the old car that I love the best. Inspections due and it won't pass the test. It's funny how I have to put it to rest, how one day I will join it. I don't mean like a couple of tears and I'm blue. I'm talking about collapsing and screaming at the moon. But I'm a better man for having gone through it. Yeah, I'm a better man for having gone through. I've been using those sorry old words, but I'm talking to these children and I'm keeping it clean. I don't need those words to say what I mean. I don't need those words to say what I mean most of the time. I'll never be the same again. Take everything that I used to own and burn it in a pile, and bulldoze the woods that I ran through. Carry those pictures of me and you. Have no memory of who I once was, and I don't remember your name.